Solve 4x cube plus 21x square minus 25 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 4x cube in place of plus 21x square. Now we should write plus 5x square plus 16x square minus 25 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is x square. So here you get 4x plus, from this x square out you get 5. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is plus 1. So here you get 16x square and here you get minus 25 equal to 0. Now this bracket, I will simplify it here. That is 16x square minus 25 equal to, in place of 16, now we should write 4 square. X square minus, in place of 25, you write 5 square. So 4 square x square will become 4x whole square minus 5 square. The reason for us to change this to this form is, on this, now we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 4x, in place of b 5. So this will become 4x minus 5, 4x plus 5. So in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation will now become x square times 4x plus 5 plus 1, in place of this one, 4x minus 5, 4x plus 5 equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 4x plus 5. So 4x plus 5 outside. Over here we are left with x square, and here we are left with these two, that is plus 1 times 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Now 4x plus 5, x square, now you open up the brackets, you get plus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here, that is x square plus 4x minus 5. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 4x. So in place of plus 4x, now I write plus 5x minus 1x minus 5. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. So here you get x plus, from this x out you get 5. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside you get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x plus 5 common. So here you have x and here minus 1. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation will become 4x plus 5, x plus 5, x minus 1 equal to 0. More, They told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 4x plus 5 equal to 0, x plus 5 equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove plus 5, so you subtract 5. You get 4x equal to minus 5. Now we should remove 4, so divide by 4. You get x equal to minus 5 by 4. Now here we should remove plus 5, so you subtract 5. We get x equal to minus 5. Now here remove plus 1, so add 1. So we get x equal to 1. So the x values that we got are minus 5 by 4, minus 5 and 1. This is our answer.